how to buy a book on Audible. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open up Audible app and then search for any of the book that you want to purchase. You can go on Discover in order to search for the book that you are looking for. Suppose I want to buy this one, which is called Rich Dad Poor Dad. I will just click on it and select it. After that, when you scroll down, you will be able to find this option of buy it and the amount for which you can buy it. Just simply click on it and wait for it to load. Then it will open up this window. Just click on this option of buy now again and wait for it to load. After that, it will ask you to select the payment method, like you can use Visa or add any other credit card, debit card or your ATM card. You can also make payment through net banking. After that, you can place the order and this way you would be able to purchase or buy the book on Audible. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.